Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of each and every effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, and today we're going to learn how you can use channel mixture and channel volume in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here in Adobe Premiere Pro, I have already opened our last project file. I will put a link of this exact audio file in the description below. You can download the project file and you can follow along with me, right? So this is our audio. We have already applied the effect which called amplify. Now the time is to use these two effects, which is channel mixture and channel volume. First, let's see what happened if we use channel mixture. If I just click and drag this mixture effect here on this audio clip, it will be applied and we can control the effect just by going here to the effects control panel. If you don't see effects panel or effects control panel, you can go to window and from here you can enable effects control and effects. Then these two panel will appear, right? So this is our channel mixture effect, and if I click here on this section which is edit, it will open this panel, right? By the way, if you want to disable any effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can just click here on this FX icon. It will disable that effect. And again, if you want to enable it, you can click here to enable it, right? The bypass will do the same thing. Suppose I want to disable the effect, I can click here on this bypass section. And also you can keyframe the bypass. Suppose here I want to use the channel mixture effect, right? So I can click here to add a keyframe. It will be applied here, and I want to disable it here, right? So if I just click here, it will add another keyframe, and in between these two keyframe, that effect will be disabled. So you can automate the bypass just by clicking the bypass section, and you can also keyframe that section, right? So I'll just delete the keyframe from here. If I click on this edit section, I can select whether I want to decrease the volume of our left channel or right channel, right? So here on this audio section, we have already disabled the right channel because our right channel had some static noise. We have applied amplify effect, and here you can see we have decreased the volume of our right channel so that we don't hear the hissing noise. If I disable this amplify effect, you'll see there are a lot of hissing noise going on, right? So we have used amplify effect to increase our left channel volume and to decrease the volume of our right channel. Let's say now we want to copy the audio from the left channel and we want to paste that audio on the right channel. How we can do that? We can actually use this one, which is channel mixer. If we go to edit, and there if we go to right channel, then we can increase the left channel volume to 100%. It will copy the left channel volume to the right channel, right? If I play it back,
Welcome to another Adobe Premiere.
you can see now both channel audio is available, right? If I disable this effect, one channel,
Today we're going to learn how you can
use
use
channel. So you can copy and paste one channel audio to other channel audio using this effect, which is channel mixture. Again, you can go to left channel, and here you can decrease the volume if you want of your left channel. Suppose I want to keep it 90. Again, I want to go here and then I want to keep it 90 so that it doesn't clip, right?
amplify effect in Adobe Premiere Pro.
The volume
Guys,
has
this
been decreased, right? So very straightforward effect. You can go here and you can also use some preset if you want. But I think most of the time you want to modify the setting just by yourself. So you can use that. On our previous class, I haven't shown you the preset section. Here you can use preset if you want for your amplify effect. Suppose you want to increase the volume of your audio just by 3 dB or 5 dB, you can select any preset from here. Now let's see how you can use channel volume section, right? So if I use this one, then that effect have been applied, and here very simple effect, you can increase the left channel volume and right channel volume individually. You can also do that using the amplify effect, right? We have already shown how you can use it. If you go to the amplify effect here on the individual parameter, you'll see there are two different sliders that can control the volume of left and right channel. Also, you can do that from here. If you want to decrease the volume of your left channel, you can
Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we're going to learn how you can use amplify effect.
If you want to increase the volume, you can increase from here, right? So very straightforward effect. So that's all for today. We have learned how you can use amplify, how you can use channel mixture, and how you can use channel volume effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.